Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have gear, now start. Open FL Studio, go to Options, right arrow Audio Settings, and pick your SEO driver so latency drops. Once done, add an audio track in the mixer and name it for the source. Next, route the interface input to that mixer insert, then click the disk icon to arm it for recording. Make sure input monitoring is off if you don't want feedback. Leave it on if you need headphone monitoring. These steps link hardware to FL, so you can capture clean takes. Now optimize sound quality before hitting record. You should set preamp gain so peaks sit near -6 dB. This prevents clipping and preserves headroom for mixing. Then adjust a CO buffer. Lower values like 64 reduce latency but increase CPU. Raise it to 256 if you get dropouts. Also confirm sample rate, 44. 1 or 48 kHz, and enable the countdown or metronome if you want a lead-in. Once levels and buffer are stable, do a short test. You're ready to record. Hit the transport record button and choose audio into playlist or record into Edison for single clips. Once you capture takes, split and trim regions, remove silence, and normalize or lightly compress to even out dynamics. This helps deliver a polished track. If you encounter issues, check routing first. Ensure mixer track input matches interface channel and the SEO driver is active. Also verify cables, phantom power for condensers, and that the track is armed. Fix those and retry the take.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.